Alright, so I have a Diamant here and pretty hyped up. Finished this pickup last night, spent a couple minutes picking it, and picked it up today. Spent a couple of minutes on it and got it open, so see if we can't do that again. That one feels good there. And of course now I'm going to start having trouble getting through the keyway. But feels better there. If I don't have the pick at the perfect angle, it just gets really hard to get through the keyway. Might have helped to make it a little bit smaller on the tips of the pick. That one feels good. Not sure about that one, so I'm gonna go around. Might not be on it all the way. And how about that? I think that feels okay there. That might... I think that's already... I moved it a tiny bit. But I think it's good now. This one might have already been good, but... no. I'll leave that right there. I like that one there. might like that one there, but yeah, bring it back to where it was. I think that's okay. This must be that sprung disc because I'm having a little bit of trouble sneaking onto it. Forget how I did that last time, but I think I moved it a little bit, pushing it up onto it. Or, you know, let's see. I think I'm on it right now. Not binding. Come back toward the front. That's not a disc there. This one. Don't know what that is. I think that one's okay. That seems okay. This one needs something. None of those options really feel good. And this might be the one that there was one disc. I just kind of had to, oh, that feels good, go through a couple times and not be clear on what actually felt best, but, you know, make a decision. And it is slightly noticeable. That feels good there. This one. Oh, I think I have reached my mark. No, I haven't. I have a mark to know when I should be about at the back of the keyway. I think I'm just having trouble with that. I'm just having trouble in general at the moment. Spinning in circles here. Alright. Oh, there's some. Oh, there it goes. All right. Oh, so yeah. I don't know. I think I really like putting a pick tip into a hand pick, so I made this last night. Works pretty good. So let's sorry, see if we can gut it. I haven't gutted it yet. I did pull the two halves apart to just, I guess, make sure that I know how it's going to come apart. Picked. Hoping to be ready for third Dan soon. And I think it locks itself back up eventually. Yeah, there it is. So some of the other DDs that I've been struggling with, I'm thinking maybe I will try hitting them with the hand pick there. I do like how that feels. And I'm pretty sure, double check me on the video, pretty sure I was picking side 2 there. But luckily I got the black belt now, so I'm not super concerned about doing a perfect job gutting. And that probably is falling apart there. Let's see what we got here. I forgot to take all my gutting stuff out. Got too excited there. And I don't know if I'll do a full gut, but at least kind of take a look at it. is gonna be the best way to get that out. That's too freaking big. Man, this is the littlest flathead I've ever seen. I'm about to fuck it up. Okay, there we go. Oh, that worked. So, oh, so there's a sidebar. There's another sidebar. I was kind of fixated on that spring there. Feel like there should be more in there, but maybe it's supposed to stay in the lock. So, we have a sidebar. Looks like just round tube or round rod. And my nice big gutting tray for this type of lock is occupied with the U9 pieces. Having trouble getting that open. Just isn't clicking for me. Oh. Spring for your rear disc. Pretty neat. And yeah, that was supposed to come with it. Yep, so I am missing pieces here. Nobody told me to gut it with the back facing down. That's kind of cool. And actually pull that one back out. Check that out. Little frickin' ball bearings in there. I did watch Lock Noob's pick and gut video. Thought that was pretty cool. And I forget if that spring holds that in or what's holding everything in there. I watched Lock Noob's pick and gut and didn't really pay too much attention to the gut other than the coolness of it. Oop. I'm about to destroy this lock. I know it. Alright, there's our spring. Goes in there like that. Get that on video so I don't screw it up putting it back together. But at least if I screw something up, I will have another half. Oh, you have to spin it. I'm just struggling right now. I've been working a lot of hours. Check that out, how they press those ball bearings in there. Makes everything spin real nicely, I guess. all those false gates on there. And I guess it really doesn't matter the orientation as long as I get them back in there face up. So that makes me feel better. I think they all just spin and spin. Hopefully that doesn't become a problem for the sprung disc on the bottom for me. Spacers are super cool. Really like double Euros because I can have the comfort of knowing that if I screw this lock up, I mean, at least I have a second try. And I'm about to drop this one. I really wanted to pick this one since all the videos I saw were just, everybody was so excited about this lock. It is very cool, just the machining there. It's all very fancy. So yeah, anyway, just the way that people filming this one were so excited about the lock. It just made me really want to give it a shot. Oh, got two at once. So put you there, you here.
Yes, and then on the way back, we have to go the other way, and that's gas, because then if she wants to ride over here, then I have to go all downtown way and drive, because the ferry's Edmonds. That means by the time we get over from Edmonds, we'd be in traffic going all the way downtown to drop her off in fucking Rainier Valley at her friend's house. It's like never ending.